everyone, welcome to Morningmate. My name is Kate and today I want to talk to you about one of my most used features, bookmarks. How you can save information that is very important for you so you can get back to it later. Let's get started. So we're gonna start on the feed and find a post. It can be an article, it can be a task, it can be any type of post that we want to save for later because for us it's very important information or we really need to stay on track of this task or article or event. So we go to this post and as you can see we have the like option and we also have the bookmark option. Let's click on the bookmark. Once it has been successfully saved to your bookmarks, this button will turn purple. And in order to see all of your saved posts, bookmarked posts, we just have to go to our site left menu bar and click on the view menu under bookmarks. And as you can see, every single post that you have saved will appear in here. If we click on it, we will get the detailed information right in here. We can also start interacting directly from this secondary page. We can leave comments. We can leave likes, we can change the status bar, change assignees, everything that you can do directly from your feed, you can do it through this window. And also you can go directly to the project that this bookmark is related to. That way you can jump directly to it and keep on collaborating on it. I hope you really enjoyed this video and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.